Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I'm going to discuss this piece of code. So in the first line, you can see x equals to 5. This is the assignment operation in Python. So what I'm doing here is I'm assigning a value 5 to a particular location in the memory, and that location is represented by the variable x. So in the second step, it is printing the value. So this operation x plus 1. So x plus 1 is, so a value of x is 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. So it simply print the value of this thing, which is 6. So I will get 6 as the output. In the second step, you may be thinking that value of x is modified because I have added 1 here. But that is not actually the case, because the value that I have added to the x is not modified at its location. That can only be done if I'm assigning it the value using equal to sign. So you can see I haven't used assignment operator, which is equal to in Python or any other language. So the value of x will remain the same. It will be 5. So I will get 5. But now see the next statement. In the next statement, I am assigning the value, a new value to the same location. I am changing the value of x. So at that location, the value stored will be this 5 plus 1. It will modify to 6. So in the next statement, it is print x. Now the value of x is modified at the location. So it will print value to be 6.